Are you tired of guessing where to manage your site connections? Find the exact menu path to connect all 5 surfaces in Elementor today. Start by editing your homepage with Elementor. We'll click through Yoast SEO, Schema, and Settings to instantly access every site connection. Edit Home. Click the highlighted element. Click Yoast SEO. Click Schema. Click the message about page defaults. Then, click on the Settings button. Now select Site Connections. Click Ahrefs. Then click on Baidu. And next, click on Bing. Click the highlighted entry. Then click on Pinterest. Finally, click Yandex. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.